Happy Sunday. I just picked up this cheap rear seat protector, $11. Here's my 30-year-old vehicle. The outside's a little dirty right now. Haven't had time to clean it. My stray cat sleeps on the hood, so there's some cat footprints on it. I normally wipe it every day, but I haven't had the time to do it. But the emblem is always on point. Geo Tracker cat. Hi, pal. The interior is always clean. The outside may be dirty, but the interior is always clean. So, manual labor job. So after work I'm really dirty, so I have these temporary slip-on covers for when I get off of work. And I got this one, so if I have to give a friend a ride, a couple of friends a ride after work, I keep the seats protected. I always joke around that I have OCD about my cars, and if I put a towel on it, don't feel bad because I have a towel on my own seat. I'm just obsessed with keeping my car clean. So let's see how this fits. $11. Rear seat looks like it's hardly been used. I should probably take it out. It's just weight. This vehicle needs all the help it could get. 80 horsepower. Extremely slow, but I don't know. I like the originality, so I don't want to pull the seats out. And if I have to give friends a ride after work, I have this extra seat. So let's go ahead and see how this fits. This actually fits pretty well in the Tracker. So you just have this little loop right here, this little elastic for the seat portions, for the seat back. I'll show you how it's secured. Here's how the seat back is secured. It comes with an elastic with the loop with another elastic here, so it's just coming down from here, and the little loop is right here. See, that's it. Yeah, it's super simple. It's $11. Now I'll show you the one drawback of it. Here's the one drawback. So it looks good like this, but the seat belt slot is way up here. It would have been nice if there was multiple seat belt slots, because my buckle is right here. So this is how I'm gonna have to do it. I'm going to do this. So it's gonna be all wrinkled up when I have a passenger. So it's gonna be really wrinkled up when I have to use the seat belt. But safety first, you gotta use the seat belt. So this is almost perfect for the price. I just wish there was extra slots for the seat belt. Other than that, not bad for $11. Here's my front covers, slip-on towel covers. So now I'm ready for my work week, manual labor life. All right, everyone, have a great rest of your day and weekend.